This is how to transfer USDT from MetaMask to Bitget. In this video, I will walk you through how to transfer this USDT to my Bitget exchange. I'll be using Binance Smart Chain Network. When you are doing transfer on most wallet to any other wallet or to any exchange, there will be need for you to make provision for gas fee. You have to credit the native token of the network. The native token of Binance Smart Chain Network is BNB crypto. So you can see there is money here, so I can take charges for this transfer. Without this money on BNB, this transfer will not be possible. The good thing about Binance Smart Chain Network is that the gas fee is always very low. So for me to transfer this USDT from MetaMask to my Bitget exchange, I will click my USDT. So you can see now, this is what I'm transferring. My balance is 15.78. This is the token detail. The network is Binance Smart Chain Network. This is the contract address. I will just click send. Now, where am I sending to? I'm sending this money to Bitget. So I have to go to my Bitget exchange to pick the destination address. I will now put the address here. Don't forget to take advantage of Bitget rewards. All you need to do is to use my link, which is below the description of this video. You stand to earn these rewards in deposit and this. All you need to do is to sign up and use my referral code. So you can see this is my Bitget exchange app. I have over $6 in my USDT before now. Immediately you launch your app, you see yourself in home. This is home. You can add funds here. You see add funds, or you come to the asset, you click asset. When you click asset, you can also add funds. So anyone you tap add funds, you can see add funds. I'm not using card, I'm not buying crypto, I'm not doing trading, I'm not doing transfer. I have crypto that I want to deposit on this place. That's why I'm adding funds. So I will tap here, I will tap here. The next thing is to choose which crypto am I depositing. Since I'm depositing USDT, you can see USDT here, but if you can't see the token you are depositing here, you just come here and search for it. Just tap here. You can see different tokens and cryptos that is listed. But since I'm depositing USDT, you tap USDT. So you select USDT. These are list of network that is available for USDT as at the time of this video. But don't forget that the network you want to transfer USDT from is Binance Smart Chain Network. So we choose BEP20, Binance Smart Chain Network. We select it. So this is Binance Smart Chain USDT address. You can scan using your phone, or you copy this address. You can also save and send it through email address or WhatsApp. I'll just copy it here. Copy. So you go back to your MetaMask wallet. So this is MetaMask wallet. All you just need to do is to put the address that you just collected from Bitget. You can see we are moving money from here in USDT. We are transferring to this place. Ensure this is correct. This is where you type the amount you are moving. In this case, I'm transferring all the USDT to Bitget. So I will select maximum. You can see maximum. When you are sure that this address is okay, you've chosen the amount, you just click continue. You can see this is the amount we are transferring. The network we are using is Binance Smart Chain Network. This is the network gas fee, BNB. This is the destination address. This is the network fee. You click confirm. You can see your transaction is complete. So all you need to do is to click view. You can see the balance here is now $1.39. You can click the token. You can see USDT is now 0. All you need to do now is to go to Bitget to go and check if the money is there. So all you need to do is to refresh. You can see USDT is in Bitget. The balance I have is now 22 USD in USDT. So you now know how to transfer from MetaMask to your Bitget exchange using Bitget exchange app. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.